Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's look is actually gonna be so for today's look. So for today's look. So So for today, Lead us hi. Hi. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's I have a little special someone. It's my daughter. Lead us hi. Hi guys. Today's makeup tutorial is using the Patrick Starr's collaboration with MAC Summer Starr collection. Shadows, it comes four in a little package. Four in a little palette. It looks like this. They look like this. The highlighter. This is the highlighter. It looks like this. And this is the bronzer. Like this. And it comes with two glosses. One, the name of the glosses are Fashion Punch and 828. Packaging is beautiful. I'm barely doing it because I barely got the palettes. I barely got the collection. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And let's get into the tutorial. So I already did my eyebrows off camera as well as my primer. For my eyebrows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And for my concealer or my eye primer, I used the Urban Decay Naked Skin in medium to light. So now we're going to grab this beige color and we're going to apply that on the crease. We're going to use this as our transition color and we're going to blend all the way up to the brow bone. Now we want to go in with this brown shade and we want to apply it on the crease. This will give the crease more of a definition and we want to blend circular motions really lightly. We want it to stand out but not stand out a lot. Now we're going to apply this red shimmery shade and we're going to place it on the lid and we're going to blend it with our brown shade to get that blending effect. Now we're going to grab this orange brownish shade, shimmery shade, and we're going to apply it on the outer corner of the lid and we're just going to blend it into that red just to give that blending effect. So now for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette in the shade Primary 2. And I'm just going to go really thin on this liner just because I do have a lazy eye, and if I do it really thick, my eyes will look really weird. Now for the outer corner of the lid, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Semi Sweet Chocolate Bar in the shade Licorice. And I'm just going to place it really lightly. I actually went in like 3 to 4 times with the black just because I do end up messing up every time I apply black. So we're going to be using the Makeup Shack lashes, All I Know. And what I do first, I always measure the lash to see if it's going to fit. And if it's too big, I always cut. And then I apply the glue. I let the glue sit for about like a minute or so. I apply it on the eye. Now for my waterline, I'm going to be using the same liner that I used before, which was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette in the shade Primary 2. Now for my face, I'm going to be using the Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream, and I'm just going to apply that on the face and blend it with my fingers. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Hello Flawless from Benefit in the shade Beige. And I apply it this way because I feel I don't add too much product to the face, and plus I don't use a lot of product as well. So that's why I apply it like this. And to blend the face, I'm going to be using the sponge from Real Techniques. And like I said before, we always do circular motions, and make sure when you use a beauty blender or a sponge, the sponge is damp. Now to set the foundation, I'm lightly going to apply the Banana Setting Powder from Ben Nye. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm going to mix these two shades together to get my concealer to highlight the areas of my face, which will be under my eyes, the bridge of the nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now to blend all of this, I'm going to be using this Beauty Blender Mini, which is really helpful if it actually gets into the areas that the bigger Beauty Blender doesn't get into, for example under the eyes or on the side of the nose. So if you're really trying to get into those areas, I highly suggest you guys get your hands on one of these. So now we're going to set the highlight. We're going to be using the Ben Nye Banana Powder. We're just going to go really lightly with this. You don't want to add too much product because you will look yellow. So just a little bit goes a long way. And plus, I don't actually look too cakey, so this product is perfect for me. So to bronze the face, I'm going to be using the Patrick Starr bronzer in Give Me Life. And we're going to place this circular motions on the cheeks. And every time you bronze, you always want to bronze heavier on the back of the cheeks, and just go really lightly on the apples of the cheeks. And we're also going to blend that all the way up to the temples of the face. So now with the clean brush, you just want to remove all the extra setting powder that we had on the face, which will not be a lot because we didn't add a lot. Now to highlight the face, I'm going to be using the Patrick Starr's Hot and Heavy highlighter, which it looks like this, kind of like goldish, a pretty color. And I'm gonna place this with a brush to give it more dimension. And I'm only gonna apply it on the cheekbones and on the nose. So now we're gonna go in with the same two shades that we used before on the crease, and we're just gonna apply them on the under eye just to give the eye more of a smoky eye effect. And for the mascara, I'm gonna be using the Colossal Volume Express from Maybelline. And for the glosses, I actually used the two of them, which we have here, which are Fashion Punch and 828. Well, this is it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't so. And make sure, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. And make sure you guys follow me on my other social media accounts, which I'll leave on the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on my next video. See you guys, bye. See you guys, bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
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 If you're new, welcome.
Hi.
So for No! No. Oh, this broke. Oh. It didn't break, guys. It didn't break. I gotta, oh my god. I need to relax. Today's look, I used the Patrick Starr collaboration with MAC, the Summer Star Collection palette. Today, today's eyes, today